Once an order is closed, most solar teams lose visibility. Projects move, but clarity doesn't. Zircle Flow gives you live view of every project. What's on track, what's delayed, and what needs attention today. Every project opens with a clear summary. Who owns it, where it is stuck, and what stage it is in. Each project follows a predefined timeline, customized for your state, DISCOM, and project type. When a stage is updated, Flow automatically captures proof, dates, and notes, so no chasing and no confusion later. Delays don't stay hidden. Flow forces clarity. Why it is delayed, what is next, and who owns it.
At key milestones, customers automatically receive updates via WhatsApp or email, so your team doesn't have to handle constant follow-ups.
All documents and site photos stay linked to the project, ready for DISCOM or customer updates.
Payment milestones stay connected to project progress. Flow can automatically send payment reminders to customers, reducing internal follow-ups and delays.
Everyone knows their responsibility without daily follow-ups. Zircle Flow turns solar execution from chaos into control. Now this is how serious solar teams scale. Want to see Flow in action? Book a demo today.